topic like leadership. Leadership. So, the law of process. Leadership develops daily, not in a day. Based sa giingon ni ate, ang leadership is mukha din siya sa experience na to. So, next,
Leaders require seasoning to be effective.
So, di ba sa pag magluto, kinahanglan o ka ng seasoning para mulaki ang kuan. So, para sa gapon sa leadership, kinahanglan o ka ng mo-invest ka into like mga kuan, like mga kanagong orientation nga mo develop imong leadership, and that way mas mo effective ba imong leadership. So successful leaders are learners. So di ba kuan gyud kay and the learner's process is ongoing, a result of self-discipline and perseverance. So, ang isa kaya leader is, like for example, siya galing sa isa ka organization. So, kato nga organization, maka-learn siya nga na day disadvantage o advantages at yung mga pag-lead sa ilaw. So, one of successful leaders are learners. The phase of leadership. First phase is, I do know what I know. Few things of themselves. A leader, and as long as a person doesn't know the importance of leadership, he isn't going to grow. So, di ba naiuman nga tao nga pag think nila ang ilang pag-lead is okay, but in the other hand, dili din siya okay. Bali, ilarang una-una nga wa sila kabalo sa importance sa isang leadership. So in that way, dili sila ma-grow into a good leaders. Phase 2, I know that I need to know. So at some point, we discover we need to learn how to lead. So, di ba, sa eskwelahan, groupings ba yan ng grouping activity ba yan? So, as a person, kinahanglan din nato may bawal kung saan mag-lead. And that way, makakuan ta as a future educator, makalingkod na sa mga student na atong mga dulan. So, phase 3 is, I know what I don't know. If we don't get better at leadership, our career will eventually get bogged down. In this phase, you develop a plan for personal growth on areas you need to improve. So in the phase 3, makabalot kung unsay kinahanglan nato i-improve sa atong sarili as a person as a person na soon to be a leader. Like, di ba kay future educator ta, so galing yun ta mga student. So, phase 4, I know and grow and it start to show. When you recognize your lack of skills and begin the daily discipline of personal growth, existing things start to happen. So, sa phase 4 is, kani siya nga parte, kapalo na ka kung unsay kinahanglan nimo i-grow, then at this part, dili na pag ma-start ang kanang pag-grow nimo o pag-recognize sa imong mga lack of skills na in that way soon ma-start nimo ma-improve imong leadership skills. And the phase 5 is, I simply go because of what I know. Your ability to lead because almost automatic. I becomes almost automatic. You develop great instincts which result in incredible payoff. So, in the phase 5, ang ability nimo to lead is balinaan na sa imo. So, imo So next is Benjamin Disraeli asserted the secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his time when it comes. So, di ba, di ba, diring bayan na to, manmong teacher. So, nagay time nga, nagay time para mahimutang successful being like makuha gid nato atong career. So, mo na gikuan ni Benjamin Disraeli na ang success is mukuan na siya in time when it's coming. So, next is, there is an old saying, champions don't become champion in the ring. They are rarely recognized there. That's true. If you want to see where someone developed into a champion, look at this daily routine. So, di ba, ang champion, dili lang baya siya, nahimong champion kay champion siya. So, ang champion is na himo siya champion tungkol sa experience niya. Pares na siya sa leadership, kinahanglan siya experience para mahimo pang good leader. So, maorat na.